What's up guys, welcome to another video by Random Isaac. Today, we're going to be showing you how to install the MX8 Elite Pool Cleaner Scrubber Brushes. Let's get into it. Alright guys, to start, the first things you're going to need for this project is a Phillips head screwdriver and, of course, your new brushes. So let's go ahead and open those up. Now that we have our new MX8 Elite Zodiac Pool Cleaner Scrubbers open, we can go ahead and take a look at them. These are what they look like. You can purchase them with the link below in the description. They sell in many different places, and they're not that expensive. But let's dive into the installation, shall we? Alright guys, the first thing we're going to want to do is take your MX8 Pool Cleaner, which I'm going to call for us this video, and you're going to align the arrows on the bottom of the scrubbers with the arrows on the side of the plastic, that should be right next to the gear. So this arrow is going to align with the plastic arrow right there. This will allow the hole in the middle of the brusher to be aligned with the screw that's on it. So once you do that, on both sides, you can stick your screwdriver in, make sure it's aligned all the way, and unscrew. And it should come right out. Now, depending on how old your pool cleaner is, some of the screws may be a little more stuck in there from how long they've been in there. But I've replaced these before, and you can buy tune-up kits to replace the main parts in the MX8 that usually go quicker. So once that's out, you can just pull on it. There's a little towel. It should be good enough, and we pull out. This is what it's going to go ahead and look like, as you can see. Now let's get to the next part. All right, guys. So once you have successfully removed your, I don't know what they call them, but gears from the pool cleaner, it should look like this. You can go ahead and remove the brushes which came with that. You're going to do that by taking these little two pins in there, right there. Squeeze them together and push out. And you can just squeeze them together and bam, that one's out. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Push out. And now we have an empty scrubber with no pool cleaners. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my first one and install the new one. I have this packet open. Let's go ahead and take this one. And this one you install from the bottom and it should snap in. So we're gonna place this right here and push in. Squeeze from the yellow sides and just push in. And you'll hear a snap. That means your new pool cleaner's brush is firstly on. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Take it. Make sure the brushes are faced the way it fits. Push. And boom. That one is installed. So what we're going to go ahead and do is realign this with the arrow. We're going to go ahead and take that screw and push it back in. One thing I want to point out to you guys is you may think you've lost the screw once you take this out, once you put the hole back in because you don't see any screw. But what you want to make sure you do is make sure this is aligned. The screw is actually stuck right here in this little hole. So just align it with the hole on the bottom where that would go through. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And to help, I'm going to go ahead and stick my screwdriver through in order just to hold that screw in place. Now I'm going to realign with the arrows. And we're going to go ahead and screw it back in. Just make sure it's fairly tight, and that's it. That is how you install it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one for the next step, and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, you successfully installed the new brushes. Just make sure everything's working as normal, spinning the regular way. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment box below. Leave a like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and this is Random Isaac bringing you the most random things. See you on the next one.